Hello everyone, myself lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic prescription, that is Latin terms, modern methods and metric system from pharmaceutics 2. The topics to be covered in our today's session are as follows: prescription, Latin terms commonly used, modern methods of prescribing and adoption of metric system. So first of all, let's discuss about the definition of prescription. A medical prescription RX is an order, often in a written form, issued by a qualified healthcare professional, for an example, physician and dentist, to a pharmacist or other therapist for a treatment, that is medicine or device to be provided to their patient. Latin terms used in prescription: route of administration. A drug can be administered by many routes or exactly only one route depending upon its chemical formulation and the intent of administration. Common routes of administration and their terms are following: PO, per OS, mouth; PR, per rectum; sub-Q, subcutaneous; IV, intravenous; IM, intramuscular; IN, intranasal; IT, intrathecal; SL, sublingual; VAG, vaginally. In the amoxicillin example above, the PO is for oral administration. Formulation: there can be various formulations of the same drug. This is to allow the administration of a drug to the patients of the various ages and the state of health. Scope of the drug's distribution also indicates the formulation. Some common formulations are following: tablet, that is tab; caps means capsule; bolus, discrete amount; means suspension; seer means syrup; FL, fluid; CA, cream; UNG, inguintum, ointment. In the amoxicillin example above, we use the tablets. We could have used tab as well with the same clarity. Frequency of administration. Writing frequency is possibly the most commonly bothersome area. My approach is to teach the terms that make up the frequency. For example, sebum in Latin is for meal and ante is for before. So anything before meal will be said to be antesebum and written as A.C. that is AC. Here are the some terms for frequency to keep in mind: sebum, meal; AC, antesebum, before meal; PC, post-sebum, after meal; meridian, that is noon; AM, antemeridian, in the morning; PM, post-meridian, in the evening; die means day; hora means hour; somni means sleep; QQ means every; QH means every hour; sumendus means take; PRN means pro renata, as needed. Frequency involving days: OD, once a day. Note this should be replaced with the word daily. QD, AM; QQ, die; antemeridian, every day after morning; BID, bis in die, 2 in a day; BDS, bis die sumendus, 2 in a day take; TID, ter in a die, 3 in a day; TDS, 3 die sumendus, 3 in a day take; QID, quarter in a die, 4 in a day; QDS, quarter die sumendus, 4 in a day take; QAD, quicky altera die, every alternate day; bis in 7D, every 7 days weekly. Frequency involving hours: QID, AM, AC; quickie in die, antemeridian, antesebum, once daily, before meal. Again, the preferred writing method will be to once daily, before meal; QID, PC, once daily, after meal. See above point. HS means hora somni, at sleeping time; or hor alt means hora alternis, every other hour; QH, every hour; Q1H, every hour; Q1H; Q2H, every 2 hour, written as Q2H. Modern methods of prescribing. Nowadays, majority of the drugs are available in the market as ready-made formulations. Nowadays, the role of pharmacist is to hand over the ready-made formulations to the patients and provide the advice if demanded. In the present day, and the prescription should be accurate, clear, and easily readable, and as far as possible, the Latin terms should be avoided. Now, the drugs should be prescribed by its official generic names or trade names. Adoption of metric system. The metric system, the system used for measuring the quantity of the drugs used in the UK, United Kingdom and many other countries of the world for the measurements in the clinical and the pharmaceutical practice. Already familiar with this measuring system, The chief unit of the weight in this system is the kilogram. Quantity, that is unit and symbol used in the metric system: length meter m, mass weight kilogram kg, time second s, temperature degree Celsius, volume liter L. Application: drugs milliliter, ml and milligram mg have been used in the metric quantities for some years. Errors are most likely to occur with the milligrams and micrograms. It is recommended that no abbreviation should be used when prescribing or labeling medicine. It should be written as microgram. Learning outcomes from our today's session are prescription, Latin terms, modern methods and metric system. Learning outcomes are: what is prescription? Latin terms commonly used, modern methods of prescribing, and adoption of metric system. Thank you.